All right, hello everyone. In this video I just want to show you my new advanced flow blocks for the n8n low-code tool, software, however you want to call it. In this video I want to show you how it all started, why I decided to create such advanced flow nodes, and then I will create one video for single nodes that I created. In total, I've created, I think 9 new nodes. And the issue that I had, or where I was coming from, is I wanted to have a webhook where I can input a phone number, someone who called me or someone who I called, and I wanted to add an activity to my customer relationship management, which I built in Linux. So I said, okay, I have my webhook, I run the webhook, I receive a phone number, for example, like that with Postman. I load all contacts from Linux, filter the one that has either the mobile phone number or the telephone number in it that we receive from here. Then create a new entry for the activity table and add this to the activity table. So I started here, that worked all fine, went over here, worked all fine as well. And then I reached the filter and recognized I don't really know what to do or how to handle if no contact matches my filter. So that was the first thing where I decided to create a filter advanced that also outputs a statistic, so that I could handle the statistic and say, okay, if nothing was kept, then let's go forward with creating a new contact. Second thing I recognized is, this is very specific to this node, but I recognize that it is problematic for other nodes as well, and that there can be some advantages. This node here says return all, but it returns at a maximum 250. If I enter 500 here, it directly corrects it to 250. If I set return all, I only get the first 100 items. And so this node had some issue of not receiving all the data. I was able to activate paging, but I was not really sure how to use the paging, because here in paging, if you set return all, you can set a page, but you can set only one number. So I recognize that I'm in need of a loop here. All right, in the next videos, I will show you the specific nodes. Short intro, the any node checks if any of our entries returns fits a certain filter. The filter advanced, as described, filters the data, gives you an exit for not matches and matches, and gives you the statistic exit. We have a for loop to run a circle. We have if advanced, which basically works like filter advanced. We have paging. I will go into that in deeper. Paging runs multiple times until you don't get any new data. I recognize that it's a bit, I wouldn't call it problematic, just inconvenient to have to click back and forwards to just see how the output for one node changes if I switch something in another node. So I created a logger that directly outputs the data to my developer tools. The size check can check if you have a certain amount of items or more. The shelf is something where you can put data and later get them back. It's called push and pop, the functions. And it helps you to have a bit more structure in your code. And then I have the generator because I was missing a node to be able to just create empty elements. Okay, we'll go into each of them in detail in the next videos. Stay tuned. Have a nice day.